My name is John Blasby. I'm a director and owner of Castiel Consultants, and I'm a project manager. And I am the director of the new course in Sustainable Project Leadership at the IE School of Architecture and Design. It's an executive education program. It's a short course. It's 14 weeks long. It's going to involve periods at the beginning and at the end in Madrid, and the rest of it will be delivered online. And it's going to be starting in 2023. Well, everyone is aware of the challenges that we face, the planet faces, and the main purpose of this program is to really address the failings that the real estate sector has got and the changes that it needs to make to help build a more sustainable future for all of us. We see the program as being a very holistic approach to the solution, and therefore we see the program being relevant from people from a wide spectrum within the industry, whether it's architects, whether it's engineers, whether it's facility managers, whether it's project managers, and they can come from all types of organisations, private organisations, public sector, institutions, and it's really that collective spirit and that collective nature where we see the biggest value to be gained and the biggest learning to be gained by taking part in the program. Well, perhaps contrary to the name of the school, the solution needs to be an interdisciplinary solution, and actually the School of Architecture and Design is an interdisciplinary school. So whether it is architects, whether it's engineering, or whether it's other disciplines, the school is a great conduit into those different skills and those different professions.